Hello everyone, welcome to Ali Foundation. Subscribe my channel Ali Foundation and click on bell icon to get every latest new update. Don't skip this video, watch it till end. Practice makes a man perfect. Without wasting time, let's start. Today first question. According to the modern theory for nature of light, the light has right answer option C. Both wave and particle dual nature. Next, wavelength of visible light are between right answer option B 0.4 mu m to 0.4 mu m. Next, velocity of light is maximum in right answer option D vacuum. Next, in vacuum the speed of light depends upon right answer option D none of these. Next, if Vc is the speed of light in vacuum and Vm is the speed of light in given medium, then the refractive index of medium is right answer option B Vc by Vm. Next, a ray of light traveling obliquely from denser to rare medium. Right answer option B bends away from the normal. Next, the laws of reflection are true for right answer option B all reflecting surfaces. Next, the focal length of a plane mirror is right answer option D infinity. Next, a ray of light incident on a plane mirror at angle theta. If the angle between the incident and reflected rays is 80 degree, what is the value of theta? Right answer option A 40 degree. Next, if a ray of light incident on a plane mirror is such that it makes an angle of 30 degree with the mirror, then the angle of reflection is Right answer option D, 60 degree. A boy is standing in front of a plane mirror at a distance of 3 meters from it. What is the distance between the boy and his image? Right answer option B, 6 meters. Next, the amount of light reflected depends upon. Right answer option D. All the above are correct. Means A. The nature of material of the object. B. The nature of the surface. C. The smoothness of the surface. Next, an observer moves towards a plane mirror with a speed of 2 meters per second. The speed of the image with respect to the observer is. Right answer option C, 4 meters per second. A plane mirror reflects a beam of light to form a real image. The incident beam is. Right answer option B, convergent. Next, a man of height 1.4 meter wishes to see his full image in a plane mirror placed at distance of 2 meter. The minimum height of the mirror should be. Right answer option B, 0.7 meter. Next, a boy is placed between two plane mirror inclined at angle of 60 degree. The number of images formed is. Right answer option A, 5. Next, an object is placed between two parallel mirrors. The number of images formed is. Right answer option D, infinity. Next, two plane mirrors are placed perpendicular to each other. A ray strikes one mirror and after reflection falls on the second mirror. The ray after reflection from the second mirror will be. Right answer option B, parallel to the original ray. Next, two plane mirrors are inclined at a certain angle. A ray of light coming parallel to one of the mirrors is rendered parallel to the second mirror. After two reflections, the inclination between the mirror is. Right answer option A, 60 degree. Next, two plane mirrors are inclined at 70 degree. A ray incident on one mirror at angle theta after reflection falls on the second mirror and is reflected from there parallel to the first mirror. Theta is right answer option A 50 degree. Next, a number of images of a candle flame are seen in thick mirror. Right answer option B. The second image is the brightest. Next, the image of our face in a plane mirror. Right answer option D. None of these. Next, the nature of image formed by a plane mirror is. Right answer option D. All the above are correct. Means A. Virtual and erect, B. Of the same size as the object, C. Laterally inverted. Next, when a ray or light enters a glass slab from air. Right answer option A. Its wavelength decreases. Next, when light passes from one medium to another, the physical quantity that remains unchanged is. Right answer option C. Frequency. Next, a monochromatic beam of light passes from a denser to a rare medium. As a result, its right answer option A. Velocity increases. Next, a well cut diamond appears bright because. Right answer option C. Of total reflection. Next, the refractive index of a given piece of transparent quartz is greatest for. Right answer option B. Violet light. Next, the total internal reflection can occur when light tends to pass from. Right answer option A. A denser to a rare medium. Next, mirage is observed in a desert due to the phenomenon of right answer option B, total reflection. Next, critical angle of light passing from glass to water is minimum for right answer option D, violet color. Next, glass has refractive index 3 by 2 and water has refractive index 4 by 3. If the speed of light in glass is 2.00 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, the speed of light in water in meter per second is right answer will be option C, 2.25 into 10 to the power 8. Next, a driver in a lake wants to signal his distress to a person sitting on the edge of the lake, flashing his waterproof torch. He should direct the beam. Right answer option C. At an angle to the vertical which is slightly less than critical angle. Next, a ray of light traveling inside a rectangular glass of block of refractive index root 2 is incident on the glass air surface at an angle of increase incidence of 45 degree. The refractive index of air is 1. The ray will right answer option D, emerge into air with an angle of refraction equal to 90 degree. Next, when a ray of light is refracted by a prism such that the angle of deviation is minimum, then right answer option A, the angle of emergence is equal to the angle of incidence. Next, a virtual image larger than the object can be formed by a right answer option A, concave mirror. Next, which of the following produce a virtual image smaller in size than the object? Right answer option A, concave mirror. Sorry. Right answer will be option D. Both A and B, convex and concave. Next, to an observer on the earth, the stars appear to twinkle. This can be described to. Right answer D. The refractive index fluctuation in Earth's atmosphere. Next, for an astronaut in a spaceship, the sky appears. Right answer option A, black. Next, one cannot see through fog because. Right answer option D. Light is scattered by the droplets in fog. Next, if there were no atmosphere, the length of the day on the earth will. Right answer option A, decrease. Next, check the wrong statement. Right answer option B. Next, a concave mirror forms the image of an object on a screen. If the lower half of the mirror is covered with an opaque card, the effect would be. Right answer will be option A. To make the image less bright. Next, an object is placed 10 cm in front of a convex mirror of focal length 20 cm. The distance of the image from the mirror is. Right answer option B, 20 by 3 cm. Next, a convex mirror is used to form an image of a real object. The image. Right answer option D. All of the above means A always lies between the pole and the focus. B is diminished in size. C is erect. Next, the power of length is 4 diopters. At focal length is right answer option B 25 centimeter. Next, the focal length of a convex lens is 50 centimeter. Its power is right answer option C plus 2D. Next, which of the following produce a virtual image longer in size than the object? Right answer will be option D. Both B and C means convex lens and concave mirror. Next, a convex lens of glass has power P in air. If it is immersed in water, its power will be. Right answer will be option B less than P. Next, a convex lens made of a material of refractive index 1.5 and having a focal length of 10 cm is immersed in a liquid of a refractive index 3. The lens will be have as a right answer will be option B diverging lens of focal length 10 centimeter. Next, a real image is formed as a formed by a convex lens. If we put a concave lens in contact with it, the combination again forms a real image. The new image right answer will be option B is further from the lens system. Next, the figure shows an equiconvex lens of focal length. Yeah, if focal length f if the lens is cut along PQ, the focal length of each half will be right answer will be option C 2f. Next, if FB and FG are the focal lengths of a convex lens for blue and red lights respectively, and FB and FR are the respective value for a concave lens, then right answer will be option B FB less than FR and FB less than FR. Next, the least distance of distinct vision is 25 centimeter. The focal length of a convex lens is 5 centimeter. It can act as simple microscope of magnifying power. Right answer will be option C. 6. Next, a compound microscope has a magnification of 30. The focal length of eyepiece is 5 centimeter. If the final image is formed at the least distance of distinct vision 25 centimeter, the magnification produced by the objective is. Right answer will be option A, 5. Next, a person cannot see clearly objects at a distance less than 100 centimeter. The power of the spectacles required to see clearly objects at 25 centimeter is. Right answer will be option B, plus 3D. Next, myopia is due to. Right answer will be option D, elongation of eyeball. Next, in the case of hypermetropia, right answer option A. The image of a near object is formed behind the retina. Next, astigmatism for a human eye can be removed by using. Right answer will be option C, cylindrical lens. Next, spherical aberration in a thin lens can be reduced by. Right answer will be option C, using a circular annular mark over the lens. Next, when a ray of light enters a water filled glass tank from a glass face making a non-zero angle to the normal, the emergent ray from the opposite face will follow a path which is. Right answer option D, parallel but not same. Next, a red flower kept in green light will appear. Right answer will be option D, back. Next, chromatic aberration in a lens is caused by. Right answer option D. Dispersion. Next, the image of an object formed by device is always virtual and small. And the device may be. Right answer option C. Concave lens. Next, a light wave enters from air into a medium of refractive index 1.5. The speed of light in the medium will be. Right answer option A. 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Next, a boy stands straight in front of a mirror at distance of 30 centimeters from it. He sees his erect image whose height is 1 by 5 of his real height. The mirror he is using is. Right answer will be option B. Convex. Next, as an object gets closer to the focal point of a converging lens from infinity, its image. Right answer will be option C. Gets farther from the lens. Next, image formal by a convex spherical mirror is. Right answer option A. Virtual. Next, the path of a refracted ray of light in a prism is parallel to the base of the prism only when the. Right answer option C. A ray undergoes minimum deviation. Next, if the top half of a convex lens is is covered with black paper, right answer will be option D. The intensity will be reduced to half. Next, the refractive index of a piece of transparent quartz is the greatest for. Right answer option D. Violet light. Next, a convex lens is immersed in a liquid of refractive index greater than that of glass. It will be it will behave as a. Right answer will be option B. Divergent lens. Next, air bubble is water behaves as a. Right answer option A. Divergent lens. Next, plane mirrors A and B are kept at angle theta with respect to each other. Light falls on A is reflected then falls on B and is reflected. The emergent ray is opposite to the incident direction. The angle theta is equal to, right answer will be option D, 90 degree. Next, which one of the following phenomena is used in optical fibers? Right answer will be option D, total internal reflection. Next, when a ray of light emerges from a block of glass, the critical angle is, right answer will be option C, the angle of incidence for which the refracted ray travels along the glass air boundary. Next, focal length of a convex lens is maximum for, right answer will be option D, red light. Next, the magnifying power of a compound microscope is, right answer will be option B, eyepiece magnification into objective magnification. Next, the human eye has a lens which has a, right answer option D, constant refractive index. Next, when light enters from air to water, then its, right answer option B, frequency is same but the wavelength is smaller in water than in air. Next, the total internal reflection of light is possible when light enters from, right answer will be option D, water to air. To have larger magnification via telescope, right answer option A, the objective should be of large focal length and the eyepiece should be of small focal length. Next, how many images will be formed if two mirrors are filled adjacent walls and one mirror on ceiling? Right answer will be option B, 7. Next, if the refractive angle of a prism is 60 degree, then the minimum deviation is 30 degree. Then the angle of incidence is, right answer will be option C. Sorry. C 45 degree. Next, critical angle is minimum when a light ray passes from. Right answer will be option B, glass to air. Next, in the figure, an air lens is cut in a cylinder of glass of refractive index 1.5. The nature of the lens is. Right answer will be option A, diverging. Next, line spectrum contains information about. Right answer will be option B, the atoms of the source. Next, if the central portion of a convex lens is warped in black paper is as shown in the figure. Right answer will be option B. Full image will be formed, but it will be less bright. Next, all of the following statements are correct exception. Right answer will be option D. A real inverted same sized image can be formed using a convex mirror. Next, when seen in green light, the saffron and green portions of our national flag will appear as. Right answer will be option B, black and green respectively. Next, the function of the collimator in a spectrometer is. Right answer will be option C, to obtain a parallel beam of light. Which of the following forms a virtual and erect image for all position of the object? Right answer will be option D, both B and C, means concave lens and convex mirror. Next, the focal length of the converging lens is measured for violet, green and red colors. It is respectively FV, FG, FR. We will find that. Right answer will be option C, FV less than FR. Next, spectrum of the sun consists of. Right answer will be option B. Dark lines. Next, which one among the following colors has the highest wavelength? Right answer will be option D. Red. The plane surface of plano-convex lens of focal length f is silvered. It will behave as a. Right answer will be option C. Concave mirror of focal length f by 2. Next, two thin lenses of focal lengths f1 and f2 are placed in contact. The focal length of the composite lens will be. Right answer will be option D. f1 f2 by f1 jog f2. Next, an object is placed at a distance of 40 cm in front of a concave mirror of focal length 20 cm. The image produced is. Right answer will be option D. Real, inverted, and of the same size as the object. Next, line spectrum is given by. Right answer will be option B. Mercury vapor lamp. Next, splitting of white light into 7 colors is due to. Right answer will be option B. Refraction. In a compound microscope, the intermediate image is. Right answer will be option C. Real, inverted, and magnified. Next, a rainbow is formed due to a combination of. Right answer option A. Dispersion and total internal reflection. Next, the nature of sun's spectrum is. Right answer option A. Continuous spectrum with absorption lines. Next, which of the following is not caused by atmospheric refraction of light? Right answer will be option A. Sun appearing higher in the sky than it actually is. Next, the magnifying power of a compound microscope increases when. Right answer will be option D. Focal lengths of both objective and eyepiece are decreased. Next, angular separation between two colors of the spectrum depends upon. Right answer will be option A. Angle of deviation. Next, blue color of the sky is consequence of. Right answer will be option C. Scattering. Young's experiment established that. Right answer option A. Light consists of wave. Next, to obtain a sustained interference pattern, we require two sources which emit radiation of. Right answer will be option C. The same frequency and have a definite phase relationship. Next, colors of thin films are due to. Right answer will be option B. Interference of light. Next, when viewed in white light, soft bubbles show colors because of. Right answer option A. Interference. Next, the phenomenon of interference is shown by. Right answer option D. All the above types of wave means A. Longitudinal mechanical waves only, B. Transverse mechanical waves, C. Non-mechanical transverse waves. Next, the transverse nature of light is shown by. Right answer will be option C. Polarization of light. Next, which mirror is to be used to obtain a parallel beam of light from a small lamp? Right answer will be option C. Concave mirror. Longitudinal waves do not exhibit. Right answer option D. Polarization. Next, which of the following cannot be polarized? Right answer will be option C. Sound wave in air. Next, optically active substances are those substances which. Right answer option B. Rotate the plane of polarization of polarized light. Next, laser light is considered to be coherent because it consists of. Right answer option C. Coordinate waves of exactly the same wavelength. Next, in the interference pattern, energy is. Right answer will be option C. Conserved but is redistributed. Two sources of wave are called coherent if right answer option C. Both produce waves of the same wavelength having a constant phase difference. Next, why does a tower appear larger and larger to a person approaching it? 1. Angle substance by the tower at the eye increases. 2. The focal length of eye lens increases. 3. The size of the image of the retina of eye increases. Select the correct answer using the code given above. A right answer will be option C. 1 and 3 only. Next, two plane mirrors are inclined at an angle theta to one another. A ray of light incident of the first mirror and parallel to the second mirror is reflected from the second mirror parallel to the first mirror. What is the value of theta? Right answer will be option C, 60 degree. Next, in the figure shown, mu1, mu2, mu3, mu4 and mu5 are the refractive index of the mediums 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 respectively. Consider the following. Right answer will be option B. 1, 2 and 3 only. Mu1 equal to mu2, mu3 equal to mu4 equal to mu5 and mu2 less than mu3. Next, which one of the following statement is correct? In an astronomical telescope of refreshing type, right answer will be option C. The focal length of the objective is more than that of the eyepiece. Next, the refractive index of a medium is root 3. Which one of the following is correct? Right answer will be option A. The sine of angle of incidence is root 3 times the sine of the angle of refraction. Next, an explosion takes place of the surface of moon. An astronaut at some distance from the site of explosion will Right answer will be option B. Observe light but not hear sound caused by the explosion. VGVB. A convex lens is used to form a real image of an object shown in the figure above. The object is coated with four different colors: violet B, indigo Z, blue B, and green G. Which one of the following represents the image of the object? Right answer will be option D. VGVI. Next, the angle of elevation of a cloud is 30 degree. A thunder is heard 4 seconds after the lightning is observed. What is the vertical height of the cloud? Speed of sound is 330 meter per second. Right answer will be option B. 660 centimeter. Sorry, 660 meter. Next, in the human eye, the focusing is done by. Right answer will be option C. Change in the convexity of the eye lens. Next, two plane mirrors A and B are placed at a distance 12 cm apart facing towards each other. An object is placed in between them at a distance 8 cm from the mirror A. What will be the distance between them at a distance 8 cm from the mirror A? What will be the distance between the first two images formed in the mirror B? Right answer will be option C. 16 centimeter. Next, the focal length of the lens in a photographic camera is 5 centimeter. What is the power of the lens? Right answer will be option D. Plus 20 D diopter. Next, the image formed on the retina of a human eye is. Right answer will be option D. Real and inverted. A lens immersed in a liquid becomes invisible when. Right answer will be option D. The refractive index of the lens is equal to the refractive index of the liquid. Next, an equiconvex lens is prepared from a glass of refractive index 1.5. The radius of curvature of the surface is 0.5 meter. The focal length of the lens is. Right answer will be option A, 0.5 meter. Next, a light wave traveling in a transparent homogeneous medium enters another homogeneous transparent medium of higher refractive index. The speed of light in the second medium. Right answer will be option A, is less than that in the first medium. In a healthy human eye, the focusing is done by. Right answer will be option C, change in the convexity of the lens through ciliary muscles. Consider the following statements. 1. Compound microscope has an objective lens with a very short focal length. 2. Simple microscope consists of a strong converging lens systems. 3. Television camera converts the optical images into electrical video signals. 4. Hypermetropia is corrected by using a diverging lens. Which of these statements are correct? Right answer will be option C, 1, 2 and 3. Next, two plane mirrors are inclined at an angle of 60 degrees to each other. If an object is placed between them, the number of images produced will be. Right answer will be option B, 5. Next, the magnifying power of a telescope can be increased by. Right answer will be option A, reducing the focal length of the eyepiece. Next, an object is kept 5 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. What will be the nature of the image? Right answer will be option B, virtual magnified. Next, different objects at different distance are seen by the eye. The parameter that remains constant is. Right answer will be option D, the image distance from the eye lens. Next, how far must a girl stand in front of a concave spherical mirror of radius on 20 centimeter to see an erect image of her face 4 times its natural size? Right answer will be option B, 45 centimeter from the mirror. Next, In a simple microscope, the lens is held at a distance d from the eye and the image is formed at the least distance d of distinct vision from the eye. What is the magnifying power of the microscope? Right answer will be option C, 1 plus d minus d by f. Next, a far-sighted person has a near point at 100 centimeter. What must be the power of the correcting lens? Right answer will be option D, plus 3D. Consider the following statements. The focal length of the objective of a microscope is less than the focal length of the eyepiece. The minimum distance between an object and its real image formed by a convex lens of focal length f is equal to 4f. Which of the statements given above is are correct? Right answer will be option C. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Next, which one of the following is used to remove astigmatism for a human eye? Right answer will be option C, cylindrical lens. Next, in the figure given below, L1 and L2 are two lenses and are kept L1, L2 along the same axis. A parallel beam of light falling on L1 labels L2 as a parallel beam. Consider the following statements. 1. Both L1 and L2 can be convex lens. 2. The distance between the lenses can be equal to the sum of their focal lengths. Which of the statements give above is are correct? Right answer will be option C. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Next, what is the essential difference between a terrestrial telescope and an astronomical telescope? Right answer option C. A terrestrial telescope forms an erect image while an astronomical telescope forms an inverted image. A beam of light traveling at a velocity of v meter per second is incident at an angle 45 degree on a glass slab of refractive index 1.5. What is the velocity of the beam of light inside the slab? Right answer will be option B, 2v by 3. Next, optical fiber works on the principle of. Right answer will be option A, total internal reflection. Suppose a rocket ship is receding from the Earth at a speed of 2 by 10th the velocity of light. A light in the rock ship appears blue to the passengers on the ship. What color would it appear to an observer on the Earth? Right answer will be option A, blue. Next, an air bubble is water will act like a. Right answer will be option D, concave lens. When a mirror is rotated by an angle theta, the reflected ray will rotate by. Right answer will be option D, 2 theta. Next, total internal reflection can take place when light travels from. Right answer will be option A, diamond to glass. Next, assertion A. In a motion picture, usually 24 frames are projected every second over the whole length of the film. Reason are an image formed on the retina of eye persists for about O per s, 0 per second after the removal of the stimulus. Right answer will be option C. A is true but R is false. Next, when a CD compact disc used in audio and video systems is seen in sunlight, rainbow like colors are seen. This can be explained on the basis of the phenomenon of. Right answer will be option D, refraction, diffraction, and transmission. Assertion A. Small glass beads fixed on traffic signal glow brightly when light falls upon them. Reason are light is totally reflected when the angle of incidence exceeds a certain critical value and light traveling in a denser medium is reflected from a rare medium. Right answer will be option A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Next, consider the following natural phenomena. Terrestrial heating, reflection of light, refraction of light, diffraction of light. Due to which of these phenomena is mirage formed? Right answer will be option C, 1 and 3. Next, diffusion of light in the atmosphere takes place due to. Right answer will be option B, dust particles. Next, to which one of the following process is the term CMYK related? Right answer will be option C, offset printing. Next, which of the following types of light are strongly absorbed by plants? Right answer will be option B, blue and red. Next, consider the following statements. If magenta and yellow colored circles intersect, the intersected area will have red color. 2. If cyan and magenta colored circles intersect, the intersected area will have blue color. Which of the statements given above is correct? Right answer option C. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Next, assertion A. In the visible spectrum of light, red light is more energetic than green light. Reason R. The wavelength of red light is more than that of green light. Right answer will be option D. A is false but R is true. Next, which one among the following has the highest energy? Right answer will be option A. Blue light. Next, which of the following types of waves are used in a night vision apparatus? Right answer will be option C. Infrared waves. Next, which one of the following reflects back more sunlight as compared to other three? Right answer will be option C. Land covered with fresh snow. Next, assertion A. A stick is dipped is water in a starting position. If observed sideways, the stick appears short and bent at the surface of water. Reason are a light coming from the stick undergoes scattering from water molecules, giving the stick as hard and bent appearance. Right answer will be option C. A is true but R is false. Next, cylindrical lens is used by a person suffering from. Right answer option A, astigmatism. Next, the power of lens is 2D. What is its focal length? Right answer option D, 0.5 meter. Next, consider the following statements. Light waves can travel in vacuum. 2. Light waves can be reflected. 3. Light waves are electromagnetic. Which of the statements given above are correct? Right answer option A, 1, 2 and 3. Next, Why is red light employed for denser signals? Right answer option C. Red light is scattered least. Next, Hodge experiments proved that the speed of light was always the same. Right answer option B. Michelson and Morley. Next, how many images can a man see if he stands between two plane mirrors inclined at an angle of 60 degree? Right answer option C. 5. Next, phenomenon of formation of three-dimensional image by entrance of two light beams from laser or other coherent source of light is called. Right answer option D. Holography. Next, a person standing in front of a mirror finds his image thinner but with normal height. The mirror is question is. Right answer option C. Convex and cylindrical with axis vertical. Next, which one of the following phenomena cannot be attributed to the refraction of light? Right answer will be option D. Redshift. Next, a double convex glass lens of focal length f and having a circular aperture is cut into two halves, each having a semicircular aperture. The focal length of each half is. Right answer will be option A. F. Next, to an observer on the lunar surface. During the daytime, the sky will appear to be. Right answer will be option D. Black. Next, if the angle between two plane mirrors is 60, then the number of image formed will be. Right answer will be option D. 5. Next, the magnifying power of the objective and eyepiece of a compound microscope are M1 and M2. The magnifying power of the microscope will be. Right answer option D. M1 and into M2. Next, the chemical part of the dye that absorbs light and produces color is called. Right answer will be option D. A pigment. Next, panchromatic photographic film is sensitive to. Right answer option D. The entire region of the visual spectrum. Next, in summer, the mirages are seen due to the phenomenon of. Right answer will be option B. Total internal reflection. Next, Combert's law is related to. Right answer option D. Illumination. Next, electron microscope was invented by. Right answer option A. Null and Ruska. Next, in which part of the eye lies the pigment that decides the color of the eyes of a person? Right answer option B. Coded. Next, what is fused through an electron microscope? Right answer will be option B. Structure of bacteria and viruses. Next, the phenomenon of splitting white light into seven colors is called. Right answer will be option D. Dispersion. Next, in optical instruments, the lenses are used to form image by the phenomenon of. Right answer will be option B. Refraction. Next, the laser is a beam of radiations which are. Right answer will be option D. Coherent and monochromatic. Next, total internal reflection occurs when light travels from. Right answer option A. A denser medium to a rare medium with angle of incidence greater than critical angle. Next, which of the following has the longest wavelength? Right answer option D. Red light. Next, the unit of luminous efficiency of an electric bulb is. Right answer will be option D. Lumen per watt. Next, dispersion process forms spectrum due to white light falling on a prism. The light wave with shortest wavelength. Right answer will be option A. Refracts the most. Next, candela is unit of. Right answer will be option D. Luminous intensity. Next, in a cinema hall, the distance between the projector and the screen is increased by 22%. Then the intensity of illuminance of the screen is. Right answer will be option B. Decreased by 4%. Next, Diopter is the unit of. Right answer will be option A. Power of lens. What type of lenses are used in movie projectors? Right answer will be option D. Convex. Next, the principle of light based on which shadow is formed is. Right answer will be option A. Rectilinear propagation. Next, a water tank appears shallower when it is viewed from top due to. Right answer option D. Refraction. Next, the primary colors is in photography are. Right answer option C. Red, blue, green. Next, the head mirror used by ENT doctors is. Right answer option A. Concave. Next, a laser beam is always. Right answer option C. A parallel beam. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.